Hi everyone, welcome. It's Lauren here from Acting Classes in Perth. This is episode number 43 and you are watching The Daily Show, the show where I sit down and answer all your acting related questions at 7 p.m. every single day here on Facebook Live and YouTube Live simultaneously. If you are watching us, thank you so much. It's a pleasure to have you with us. Now let's jump straight into this show, and run the intro. Okay, so today's question comes into us from Mary Ann. Mary Ann, thank you so much for sending in your question today. Now, before we get to that, if you are watching us right now, thank you so much. Please give us a big thumbs up. I'd love to know that you're out there, or leave a comment or ask a question. If you don't know what to say, just simply say hello. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Now, today's question does come in from Mary Ann, so let's have a listen to what her question is for this episode.
Hey Lauren, Marianne here. How do I get an agent?
Marianne, thank you so much for sending in that question. Now, I think it's really important when you're looking to go and get an agent or acquire an agent or be represented by an agent, that you don't just email them or call them when you kind of have that first thought, right? Don't go, oh, I'd like to be an actor, I want to get an agent, I'm going to go call some agents. Don't do that. They get a lot of calls, they get a lot of emails. The reality is that you don't have anything to substantiate your claims of wanting to be an actor. You haven't done any work, you haven't done any training yet, so don't go and connect with them or communicate with them yet. What you want to do instead is, number one, go out and improve your skills, both in the craft of acting and also in the business of acting. So I want you to go out, I want you to do some classes, and I want you to do some training. If you don't have much of a budget, then come on in and meet with us, at least at our free class. You can check out information on our free class at actingclassesinperth.com/free. It's a free 3-hour session we run for beginner actors who are interested to explore acting and what it is, and it shows you how we kind of work and operate as well. Plus, you're going to have a whole lot of fun. So we'd love to see you there. So firstly, Marianne, number one, you're going to go out and you're going to improve your skill set. You're going to do some classes and training, right? Number two is then you're going to go and you're going to start auditioning and being a part of local films. So they're going to be short films and also independent feature films. You may also explore into some community theatre work or independent theatre as well. Now, once you've then got a few things under your belt, you're going to go and do step three. And step three is you're going to come together with actors and filmmakers that you've met and developed relationships with, friendships with, in that space of working on their films and being a part of their projects. And you're going to come together with these other actors and filmmakers, and you're going to become a producer actor and start to produce your own content. Now, that could be something as simple as a web series with 2 or 3 actors, maybe 1 or 2 crew members. You're going to shoot 1 episode. It's about 3 to 5 minutes. You're going to shoot 1 of those episodes every single month. You do that for a couple of months. You start to build up a bit of an audience, and you're also the type of actor who's actually going out there and not just hitting the pavement, going to audition after audition, but you're also the actor who's getting off your backside and making and creating your own future. Now, once you've done this, then I would suggest you go out and you approach an agent. You can send them an email, give them a bit of information about yourself, nothing too long, and also include in there some headshots and a small cut down show reel, just something from the actual work that you've done, and also talk about the fact that some of that work you have produced as well as starred in. Now, that's probably going to get you at least a high degree of chance of getting you into their office and getting you the opportunity to meet with them. From there, what tends to happen is most agents tend to say, hey, it was really nice to meet you. Our books are full at this stage, but get in contact with us in the future. Now, what that means is secret agent talk for, hey, go away, do more, come back in 6 months and show us how much more you've done in that time, how much more you've grown and developed, and how many more followers or how much of a community you've built. Then you are so much more inclined to actually get representation with them. What tends to happen is actors hear that, they hear the agents say, come back in 6 months because unfortunately our books are full at the moment, and the actor goes off and they think, oh, they didn't like me, I'm crap, and then they don't do much, right? They never go back, but you've got to be consistent. The agent's actually saying, come back. Yeah, reach out to us. Our books are full, so reach out to us in some time. That is a great thing, right? So, Marianne, that would be my advice for you and everyone watching this. Now, if you liked Marianne's question, please click the share button and help out your fellow actor. Now, if you are watching us here on Facebook, be sure to like and follow our page. And if you're watching us on YouTube, click subscribe and then be sure to hit the notifications bell as well. Then we are going to keep you updated with everything we have coming out when it comes out. Now, finally, if you are listening to us on iTunes, click subscribe. We would love for you to subscribe to what we do here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to see you again tomorrow night at 7 p.m. for another awesome question answered by me. I'm Lauren Johnson. This is Acting Classes in Perth, and you are watching The Daily Show. I'll see you again soon. Like always, stay safe and happy acting.